Everybody wants to make it big with meme coins. Some people spend hours glued to charts trying to buy low and sell high. But here's the truth, guys. Trading meme coin is yesterday's game. The real winners, they're not traders. They are the devs, guys. Think about it. When you're trading, you're fighting bots, whales, and insane volatility. It's a casino. But when you're building, when you launch your own meme coin, you're the house. You're the one behind the curtains. You set the rules, you own the liquidity, and you control the narrative, guys. In 2025, meme coin diving isn't just a side hustle, it's the new method. It's faster, smarter, and way more scalable than chasing green candles on Twitter calls. And in this video, I'll show you why creating the memes and the coins is way more powerful than just trading them, and how you can flip the script from gambler to builder, guys. And you know what's the best part? I'm gonna give you this blueprint for free. Let's get straight to it. So first, why even dev? First, there's way less risk. When you're trading, you're actually risking your entire capital. So if it goes sideways, if your trade goes sideways, you might lose your entire account. Whereas when you create a token, when you create a coin, you're just losing money to fees. If it doesn't work out, if your coin is not that good, you can just recreate one, rinse and repeat until one of your coin completely blows up. Also, it's the best method for small capitals. So if you don't have a lot of money, if you have $100, $200, $300 to spare, deving meme coins, creating meme coins is actually the best way to make money with crypto, with meme coins. And the best part is, it's not saturated. No one talks about deving meme coin. Everyone talks about trading them. Why? Because they want to use you as exit liquidity and they want to use you to get rich on fees you're paying every time you trade coins. So, guys, now we gotta choose where we're actually gonna launch our coin. So a platform I have been using, I am not affiliated to them, by the way. They're not paying me for this. It's not an ad at all. I'm just sharing things I use to make money. So it's mintrush.fun. So why this platform, guys? It's fast, it's easy to use, but also, so first, when you come on the platform, you gotta connect your wallet. That's the first thing. But the thing that separates this platform from other launchpads is that first, your coin doesn't get launched on Pump.Fun. It gets launched on Radium. So basically, there's way less competition. It's way less saturated. You have more opportunity. You have more room for growth. And then, guys, I'm just going to show you some of the coins that have been created on this platform. Some of the coins created here reached $1 billion market caps, which is absolutely insane. But the one thing that really sets this platform apart is their copy trending coin feature. So you can basically copy a coin that has been trending on Pump.Fun with the help of a single click. Look at all these coins here. So instead of looking for a narrative, instead of searching for a meme, instead of scanning Twitter for drama, this platform, they basically list you tokens that have been performing really well today, and you can just choose to create one with a simple click. So it saves you a lot of time. It saves you a lot of failures too, because you're actually launching something that people already bought before. You're launching a proven narrative. You're launching a proven meme. So you have more chance for success. So I'm going to show you how it works. So basically, guys, here what you're gonna do, we're just gonna pick one. So for example, here, this one, open cast, last activity a few seconds ago. So it basically means that someone created a coin on Mintrush, this coin a few seconds ago. So you're just gonna click on create coin here. Password. No worries, standard procedure, standard message. I'm going to show you the entire process throughout the video. You can proceed anyway safely. So you can confirm, understand, confirm. So, you just got to wait a little bit. Sometimes it takes a bit of time with network congestion and everything. Here it is, guys. The token has been successfully created. So that's the token address. You can check it on the Explorer. You can check it on SoulScan. But now the next step would actually be creating the liquidity pool. So what is creating the liquidity pool? What is a liquidity pool? So it basically gonna let people, users, traders swap their soul for your token. So that's what's gonna make them. That's what's gonna make trades possible. So you just click on create liquidity pool here. So guys, then when you're on the create liquidity page, what you would do, you would just select the coin you created. You would put around 0.1 SOL in the liquidity pool, around 900 million of your tokens here. So 90% basically of the supply. You can proceed anyway safely again. Then you click on confirm, and after clicking on confirm, basically your liquidity pool is gonna get created. So let me click on confirm. So then guys, after creating the liquidity pool, you would just click on refresh here a couple of times. So after clicking on refresh, guys, here's the liquidity pool, open. So that's our token. So guys, next what would be the next step, guys, is, you're just gonna wait a little bit, about an hour or two for your coin to get pushed to KOLs, to get pushed on platforms such as Axiom, Bullex for traders to actually buy your coin. And yeah, results are going to start appearing. Look, we're already $42 in profits and like what, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So now I'm just going to wait, about 2, 3 hours to see where the coin is at. And then I'm going to show you the results. Stay tuned. So look, guys, after a couple of hours, that's what our coin looks like, which is absolutely crazy. We're more than $218,000 in profit, which is absolutely insane, guys. So, to show you that everything is legit, I'm actually going to show you the liquidity removal transaction to show you that if I ever want to remove the liquidity pool, I would receive back this 1,253 SOL, which is absolutely insane. So let me just show you guys. So you just select the amount of liquidity pool you want to remove. You can remove 50%, 88% if you want. Here I'm gonna show you the transaction. I'm not gonna remove anything, but I'm gonna show you the transaction of the liquidity pool removal to show you that everything is legit. So let me just click on remove here. So here, guys, that's the transaction. So look, I would receive back exactly 1,253 SOL, which is absolutely insane if I ever confirm the transaction here, which I'm not gonna do, of course. But look, guys, for people asking how do you actually profit from your coin launch. So earlier I told you to put around 90% of the supply in the liquidity pool. So you keep 10%. So when the coin market cap is high enough, you can just sell your 10%. So for example, right now the coin market cap is around $3 to $4 million. If I would sell my share of the tokens, so 10% of $4 million is around 300 to $400,000 in profit. Other people, what they do, it's unethical, it's kind of fucked up to do this. But what they do, they just remove the liquidity pool, and that's for max profit. But I wouldn't really advise you to do this, guys. Anyways, see you.